Maging piece of cake naman kaya ang audition ng susunod na Kiddie Hopeful?
Hello, my name is Rain. I'm 7 years old and I'm from Bacoor, Cavite. Well, my nanay's an engineer but she stopped working because she needs to take care of us, my brother.
How old is your brother?
1 year old. He's in the car and Tati's with him too. And also Tati's an IT. Sometimes he works in an office.
Actually, 1 year old pa lang, nakitaan na namin siya na hindi siya off-key kung kumanta. So, in-nurture namin yung talent niya para hindi masayang yung talent. In-enroll namin sa music school.
I like to sing because it makes me happy.
Sabi nila, life is like a box of chocolates dahil you'll never know what you'll get.
Gaya na lang ni Judge Angelina nakaget ng Ingleserang Kiddie Hopeful.
Ilang taon na si Rain?
Sorry, but I don't understand Filipino po.
Oh! Talaga ba, Mami? Opo, kasi yung language namin is Waray. Actually, dialect namin Waray-Waray.
Waray, tapos?
Yes. So sa bahay, instead of magwaray kami, in English namin siya.
Okay. You don't understand Filipino? Do I need to go home right now?
No!
How old are you, Rain?
7 years old po.
7 years old. What's unique about Rain?
Well, I like reading.
You like
I
reading?
don't play gadgets much. Aside from singing, I like to do arts and crafts. I like to swim and also dance. And I also like to read.
Kung anong binibigay sa kanya ng father niya, binabasa niya. Tapos pag naubos niya yung isang book, pupunta sila sa bookstore, pipili siya ng isang book. So hindi naman maramihan. Kailangan matapos mo na yung isa, saka bibili ng bago ulit. Parang pinaka-reward sa kanya din.
Kung meron kang favorite book, ano to?
Diary of a Wimpy Kiddies.
This one talaga. Ilan na ang books na ganito? Marami na? Like mga 10 stories na diary?
It's like 1,000.
1,000! Oh my gosh, 1,000 na pala.
I like it because I'm really entertained in it.
What are you holding in your hands? Are those the books you like to read?
Yeah, I'm currently reading this.
But then, you're here now in Idol Kids Philippines. That means you also like to sing.
Yeah.
What do you like more? Reading or singing?
Both.
Yeah, that's a good answer.